Morning, guys. It's a morning here in Spain, Barcelona, and I'm walking to my bus counter for city tour. And on the way, I saw this huge diesel shop, branded shop diesel. I found here all the branded shops are here, but they are very huge. It's really big shop inside there. You can see. It might be a double story because it looks huge until the corner. Yeah, and there's so many things around here because this is a central city and it's main for attractions, tours, and it's good place. Barossa de Barcelona. This is written in Spain. I'm not sure Spanish what this means. Barossa de Barcelona. This looks some kind of some building here. And every morning, like everybody, they're working in the shops. They are coming and they clean even the window from outside and everything. They're trying to make it perfect, look nice before they start the work. I've seen by walking here a lot of people, the worker, they are working in the shops, they opening door and they have cleaning things to clean even the glass from outside, window glass, door glass. So that's really amazing. Like they want to, it be looks clean, looks beautiful. Yeah. Here's Gui's. This is Gui's shop. Also looks quite big. Yeah, until the corner. Here you go. Until here, Gui's. Okay, let's walk through. Now I'm nearby. It's a beautiful morning. And look what I find here again, Mr. H&M. And at the other side is Miss Zara. So this H&M as well, it looks quite big. That is quite bigger H&M. Going through until there. And other side of the road is Zara. Here is Victoria's Secret. Yeah, Leo. There is Leo, quite big. It's really big inside. Shops are here very big. And this building looks amazing. Yeah, I'm almost reaching to the point. Hopefully bus is there. I don't want to wait longer because I want to cover most of the parts today. Tomorrow I'll be flying to Paris. Oh, here is Qatar flag. Oh yeah, this is Qatar flag. If I'm not mistaken, this looks like Qatar flag. Anyway, yeah, I just arrived. I need to cross the road to the other side. Oh, it's really beautiful sunny day. Oh, yeah, there is a bus. Yo, I need to cross. Yeah, there's the bus. So see you guys next video. Goodbye.